How to reactivate your Instagram account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device, and now you will be led to the home page of Instagram, which is also the login portal of Instagram. So in the login portal, you will be asked to enter your username, email, or mobile number followed by your password. So go ahead and enter the required login credentials and then tap on the login button you see there. And just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can also tap on the forgot password option and recover your password. Once you tap on the login button, you will be asked if you want to reactivate your deactivated account. So tap on the yes reactivate option you see there, and with this you will be able to successfully reactivate your Instagram account. So this was about how you can reactivate your Instagram account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.